Woohoo! Drum roll! Yay! This is huge. This is big. I'm so excited. All right, let me get the scissors. We're gonna do our best to open this with the webcam in between me. Oh god. Oh, okay. Okay, so funny story about this. I'm gonna have to, don't mind the fact that, oh, I'm not blocking out the light. Cool. So funny story about this. When I started writing the book, during the process of writing the book, we moved, and these are all the author review copies, and they were sent to the wrong address. So I had to go pick them up. So they're a little later than anticipated, but that's all right. You still get the unboxing video. I hope you're gonna love it and enjoy it. I think you will. I'm so excited. Here we go. Whoo! Oh my goodness! Here it is. Whoa! It's the real deal. Ah, I'm so excited! Look. Oh, it feels so nice. It's like, I can't even, like, it's like soft. Like, I feel, it's a little ASMR in there. Is that, yeah. Oh, here it is. Here's the book. This is the book that I wrote. Mind-blowing facts about the planet's strangest animals. That's me, Kylie Keene. I wrote this. This was published by Page Street. I have some very funny stories to tell you. Here it is. So the dedication, as you can see, it ended up on this page. I don't know, like the publisher's page? I don't know. This is the publisher, Page Street Publishing. Thank you. Let me get a little closer. There. Oh, it's not gonna adjust. There it goes. Yay! But yeah, the dedication ended up on the very first page, not on its own page, because I wrote too much. I wrote too much for this book, which means that the book is absolutely cram-packed from cover to cover of just all kinds of animal facts. And even the end, we had to... I'm pretty sure it goes like straight... Yeah, it goes straight to the last page. There are no blank pages in this book. We don't do blank pages here. That's not a blank page. That's the cover. But yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Okay, so like I was saying, let me pull this boy back out. So remember how I said that it's like completely full from cover to cover? Like there is not a single blank page in here. I wrote too much, and ultimately what that means is that I have a PDF that you can get only if you pre-order. You have to pre-order in order to get the PDF. And it's like at least 20 pages of extra content. So you're looking at 160 here. The PDF is, another at least 20 pages. It might be more. I don't quite remember, but it is a significant amount of information. It's at least 6 more animals. It might be 6 more animals that you get to learn about. And I highly, highly recommend pre-ordering the book, because you can actually get the PDF right now. Like as soon as you pre-order the book, you just put in your pre-order registration number, like the confirmation number that you got from your pre-order, and you can just slide it in to the pre-order form and you get it. It gets sent straight to your email. It's super easy, super convenient. And it gets you you get a little behind the scenes sneak peek before the book actually comes out. The book should be coming out in the next 2 weeks or so. The date's a little fuzzy because the warehouse had some issues. And so anyway, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be coming out like at the end of the month. It's a perfect time to buy it because you can get it as a gift for the holidays. And this is an awesome gift. This is like, I mean, I feel kind of weird saying that because I'm the one who wrote it. And I'm like, yeah, of course I think it's an awesome gift. But it is. Whoever reads this is going to learn a lot about animals. So if you have somebody in your life who likes science or likes learning new things or just really likes animals, I highly recommend this. I think it's really, really cool. I think someone will have a lot of fun with this. Everyone who I know who has already read it, like all of my reviewers and some of my friends, they all love it. So I don't know. If you don't believe me, believe them. Also, I didn't show off these little. Page Tree put all these little. Do you see like this little bird? And there's like a little fish. And there's like a little. Oh, I hit the microphone. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. So it's 160 pages. So this is the index. I wanted to show you. We have the resources and image credits. All of the images are either public domain or Creative Commons. So thank you to everybody who did that, licensed their images into Creative Commons or public domain. You're amazing. You helped make this book possible. So yeah, this is where you can go to our website right there just to find all the resources because we couldn't fit them in the book. So, oops. And yeah, there's me. There's my face. Oh, that's when I went to California. I'm on the Pacific Coast Highway in that picture. But yeah, here's the book. It's so cool and amazing. I'm so excited. Look at all the pictures and colors. So the pictures that you see, I picked out all the pictures, but Page Street designed it all. They put all the pictures in. They decided where they went. Like, look at this. I love the colors so much. They did such an awesome job. I'm so excited. I want you all to see this. It's so cool. I feel like I'm recording this like at night, so I don't have the best lighting. But the colors are just so vibrant and they pop, and I think like even like kids would love this. I can't. I don't know. Let's. Oops! I just kicked the webcam. Let's guess how many times that I said excited in this. All right, I am going to show you a couple things. Oh, here it is. Here it is. All right. So one of the things that. So this is about the black lip pika. There it is. The black lip pika. Such a cutie. Here's a fun fact. Although the name Pika may bring to some readers' minds the image of a yellow electrical mouse-type Pokemon, sadly, these little lagomorphs are not related. The creator of Pikachu's design, Atsuko Nishida, admits that the iconic Pokemon was instead based on squirrels. So yeah, I don't know if any of you have heard of Pikas. They are related to rabbits. They are lagomorphs. They just have much shorter ears. These are the black lip pikas. Lots of very cool facts about these guys. They live very high in elevations. They're very cool. Literally, like that. Literally, that was the joke. They're actually literally cool. Here is the robust forest Bavea. I've also seen people refer to these as Bavia. I tried really hard to put how to pronounce all of the animals' names. Is it gonna go? Maybe? There it goes. I tried to make it so that you can see other common names. These are how you pronounce things. I tried really hard to make it very easy because I don't like not knowing how to read names while I'm reading. Like what they would sound like. So that was really important to me. Hopefully I have done a decent enough job that everybody will know how to say these animals' names. Look at this heckin' chonk. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? Okay. Cameras are weird. Look at this heckin' chonk. This is a turtle frog. Very, very cool. This is a frog that cannot hop. I don't know if you knew that was a thing, but it is. This is a thing. This is a frog who cannot hop, and if you want to learn more, I highly recommend getting this book and learning all about them because they are fascinating. And then here's a moon eye. They have they get the name moon eye. I mean, you can't see it here obviously because it's light out. But you know how like cats at night their eyes like glow like that? So moon eyes have the same thing. It's like a film over their eyes. It's a tissue. It's a layer of tissue called the tapetum lucidum. And it makes their eyes glow at night. And so they got the name because of that. These are very strange fish. And I'm not going to say why. You'll have to read the book to find out. Ha 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 ha. Let's see, what else is there? Oh yeah. So these are Ryevilles. They there's another picture. There we go. They have like a sideways crooked bill. They like to stick their bill underneath rocks to help find stuff to eat. But they actually can purr. When they feel threatened, they purr. So that's a purring kind of bird. It's like a cat. Look, listen, there's a lot in here that basically relates to cats because I'm crazy about cats. As you should know, Chester is the mascot of the channel. But yeah, that's the book. I hope you will order it. I hope you will love it. I hope you will enjoy reading it over and over and over. I can attest to the fact that I have learned many, oops, I hit the camera again. I have learned many facts about animals over the years, and I don't remember all of the facts I have learned. So this is definitely something that you'll be able to read, and then, a year later be able to read it again and be like, I had forgotten about that. That is so cool. Now I remember that. So I really hope that you all enjoy it. Even if not, I just want to thank everybody for all of your support, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, just enjoying watching the content, enjoying the videos. That has made it so that I was able to fulfill this dream of writing a book. I had no idea this was ever going to happen. I'm so excited. Oh, there's another excited. I'm so happy. I'm thrilled, and I truly think all of you will like this as well. What's really cool is there are over 60 animals in here. You will not get bored reading this book. There's a lot to learn, and I hope you'll like it. I hope you'll enjoy it. So thank you. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, books aren't supposed to... Wait, how does it smell though? Let's smell it. We should smell it. Right? It's not weird, right? Oh, it smells like new book. Oh, that's that new book smell. Oh, look at that. Ooh, so soft. I just want to rub it against my face. Like, it's like, Oh, it feels so good. Yeah.